how to redeem Sephora birthday gift. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Sephora birthday gift, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to redeem your Sephora birthday gift, it is actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go to sephora.com, then add the products that you want to buy to your cart, which is your basket, and then make sure to tap your basket icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Now after you've done that, you will be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is you need to go to the checkout process by tapping the checkout button from the bottom right. Once you tap on the checkout button from the bottom right, over here let's say that you basically have a birthday gift that you want to redeem. Just scroll down here, you will find add promo or reward code, so you can tap on add promo or reward code. If you have any sort of reward code, make sure to tap on it and make sure to enter them here, and then you'll be able to apply them. If it is a gift card code, then of course you can select a gift card, but that's not what we're looking for. We're just looking for a birthday gift card. So this way you'll be able to redeem your Sephora birthday gift. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.